Good morning. Good morning, guys. Market is opening in few seconds here. From 15 seconds, market is going to be open. So we are trading and trending right below the previous day lows. So we don't know. We don't know what this day is going to look like, right? Whether it's going to be bearish or going to be bullish. We'll find out. Market is already open for 1 minute. All right. Market is already open here, right here. Oh man, oof, market's already pointing down. I got up a little bit. I don't know whether somebody was saying something or something. I got up from my seat here. Um,
No, I was asking, what is your bias for today? I know it's Friday.
hey, you already know I'm not married to any side, right? Every morning I wake up and then my mindset is I'm not married to any direction, right? You know,
Mhm.
it's easy to fall, it's easy to rise, right? We don't care. We don't care about the direction the market goes, right? So if the market decides to go up, hey, we are all for it. If they decide to go down, hey, we go down with them. We go down to the gutters. Everywhere they want to go, we chase them, right? We don't care. That is a beauty of being a momentum trader, right? You know, that is a beauty of being a momentum trader. You don't care what the direction, right? You just want to see your solid market structures form, and then take opportunity right there, right? I don't care which side the market goes. I know some people, their mindset is, they can't even take a shot. I know some people like that, right? They cannot even take a shot. They will say that no, no, no. If the market is shorting, I'm not interested. They always want to go long, right? They're interested in going long, and that's them, right? That's them. But for me, I don't really care. I don't really care the direction the market goes, right? The market wants to go up, hey, we are all for it. If it wants to go down, hey, we go down with them, right? Some people are just, I don't know. They love to go longs only, right? They want to go long. Yeah, so we don't really care. What's your bias yourself? What's your own bias? Yeah. What's your, what's your preference? Do you love to go long? Is long, your preference, like your preferred
What
than
about for
short?
today? Today I'm looking for short.
So you're looking for short?
Yeah,
Okay.
today it looks like, I mean, like yesterday, the way was damping. I'm hoping today to challenge down and do some good money. I'm
Yeah,
trying to
we
recover my funded account. Most of them are in IC.
oh, I see.
I lose it.
Man. Okay. So yeah, then you really have to scale down. If you're trying to recover, accounts like that, then scale down to micros. Use little micros in there. Yeah, don't use minis in there. Yeah, don't use minis in there. Scale down to maybe 2 micros or something like that. Yeah.
Do that.
Yeah.
Indeed.
Any account that you're trying to recover, don't over leverage. Don't even think about mini. No. Mini might send you further down. The hill. Mini might send you further down the hill. It has happened to me. Somebody say, "How do you know?" That's happened to me 1,000 times. Trying to recover, and I'm like, okay, let me just double up. Mini so that I can recover fast. That fast mentality is going to send you down to the grave, as quickly as possible. So yeah, if you're trying to recover or something, then it's better for you to do the what you call it, the micros. Yeah. Better for it to be disciplined and use the micros there, right there. So far for me, for these accounts, I think Apex. Yeah, well, I don't want to talk about it here. I'll talk about it with you guys off from this one. But my the compliance people reach out to me, so they've closed my Ghana one, right?
But then we'll talk about it in
So straight down below the the previous day lows. So in 5 more minutes, we'll find out what they're trying to do here. Whether so far the highs of the 50 minutes up here is looking like this. So far, this is the highs. $29,372. That's the highs. That's what it's looking like. Unless they push it up beyond that point. And then the lows is also looking like this for now. We might extend it if they're able to push below this point. Yeah, 29,181. Yeah. As I know, they are trying. These guys are trying. They're doing their best to push it. Yeah, they're doing their best to push it to the downside over here.
Yeah, bearish.
Yep.
Looks like it's coming for that way. That green candle.
Yeah, it's looking like they want to try and take out these lows here.
Mm-hmm.
We'll find out if they're able to do that. Man, this is crazy. The bulls are stepping in aggressively right now. They are really stepping in aggressively. The bulls are stepping in aggressively right now. Right? They're going straight up, straight all the way up. 2 more minutes. It looks like they might push the 50 minutes up highs to maybe a different price. Wow. Just look at that. It looks like they might push it slightly up here. We'll see. Less than a minute to go. Less than a minute to go for our 15 minutes up to be set already. Yep, less than a minute to go for our 15 minutes up. So it's all set now. Yep, 50 minutes is all set now. So the red lines are my 15 minutes up, and my yellow line is the daily, the previous day highs and lows. That's for the yellow lines. So if market is trading at the lower end of previous day, then that means it's somewhat looking like bearish, right? It's somewhat looking like bearish for me. Yeah.
Mhm.
But hey, we already know. We don't care, right? We don't care where side market goes.
We are not married to any direction.
No, we are not married. We didn't give anybody a promise ring. We didn't give anybody a promise ring. We didn't give anybody a promise ring. So if you want to go this side, we go with you. All right. Looks like they want to push it. The bulls want to push it. Can they push it? It looks like. Ooh, looks like they're coming. They are coming. They are coming for the highs. They are coming for that highs. It looks like they're trying to do that. I love the long way bottom here. But hey, the momentum is in there right now. Especially the market opening like this, the momentum is very high. So hey, it doesn't matter how big the wick is or how short the wick is. That they have the money. They have the money to push it to the direction. Because the market opening is still fresh. It's a battle going on. It's really a battle going on. It's really a battle going on right now. Do we flash it? Do we go long? Or do we go straight to downtown? Straight up. It's like they're pushing it up again. Can they do it? Can they do it? Can they do it this time around? Straight back down again. Wow. Straight back down again. They don't know what to do, right? It looks like they don't know what to do. They don't know what they want to do today. Come on. Thank you. Crazy price action.
Yeah, it's almost 30 minutes. We've not been able to break either the high or the low of the 50 law.
Yep, that's exactly what they're doing. They're just going sideways. They're just doing like a sideways right now. You can see, right? We're almost trading like in the range. Bounce up here, go low here, bounce up here, go low here. So that's what it's telling us, sideways. Exactly what they are doing. Yep. Go down to some of the lower time frames. We begin to print like, yep, that's exactly what's going on.
Yep.
Okay, looks like they want to do it like this time.
No.
50 Looks like they want to do it this time. Right? That is your break right there.
Yep.
That is your break right there. Woo, she gone. She gone. Straight up. You got love NQ. You got love NQ. She gone. She gone. She gone. She gone. Woo, just like that. Just like that. That is 58 points already. They're already pushing up. Ah, they're gone. They're gone. She gone. She gone. She gone. She gone.
She gone.
She gone. As NQ. She gone. She gone. She gone. She gone right now. She gone. Hope you guys, were able to catch on the break right now. She gone. She gone. She gone. She gone right now. She gone. She gone. Woo. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Still pushing, guys. Wow, that's a good break. That is a good breakout. That's a good breakout. That's about 90 points. Man, 90 points already. $90 points from the breakout. Wow. $90 points from the breakout. Crazy. Some kind of pullback going on, retracement. Yep, as expected. Of course. Of course. Definitely, there's going to be a continuation of this. There's going to be a continuation of this. The Bulls looks like they got they are gone.
Oh, wow.
There's going to be a continuation to this. So yeah, guys, it's going to this thing is going to keep running all day, right? They might be heading down to the where is it? Where is the there was a number that I was looking at. I think 29,700 or something. I was looking at key levels in the morning. Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, I'm on the look. I'm on the micro. So I think I drew certain things on the yeah, but they're pushing it. Let me see SpaceX. Okay, so SpaceX is pushing as well. Nvidia, see Nvidia. Yep, I see Nvidia pushing as well. She gone, guys. She gone. She gone. Look at that. This is bullish, guys. This is not a joke. These guys are not even joking. These guys are not joking about it, right? They are not joking about it. They're not joking about what they want to do. They're not joking. They're not playing. NQ is not playing. NQ, NQ, NQ. That's right. A little bit of a pullback going on. Crazy, 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 crazy price action. Crazy. This is so crazy, guys. Yep, some kind of a pullback as expected. As expected, yeah. As expected. We expect that to happen, right? We expect some kind of a pullback, to happen, and then a continuation to the upside if the bulls want to do that. That's what we expect. NQ is trying to push up. She gone. She gone. She gone. Guys, she gone. NQ, she gone. She gone. I love it. She gone. The moment she crosses this over here, man, it's gonna be a free run. She gone. bull flags along the way. Love it. That's the top of the 14. Then they're pushing all the way up, heading straight back up again. And typically after some push like that, expect the market to have some kind of a pull down. Straight up, guys, man, this is getting cray cray. Crazy. So this is a 1 hour candle, guys. The 1 hour candle. Um,
Wow.
Yep, it's been a crazy pop here from the open.
Yep. Crazy. Wow. The key takeaway is you are not married to One Direction. You
Yep,
are not
nah,
married to
nah,
One Direction.
nah. You cannot be married to One Direction, right? You cannot be married to One Direction. You cannot be married to One Direction here. You cannot be. You cannot be married to One Direction.
Like the level of patience you need for this momentum. If you don't have patience, 10 minutes, just 10% to come, Charlie, you can't do this momentum.
Nah.
You destroy your account in a few seconds.
Yep, I've done that
Charlie,
before. Well, when I was impatient, I've done that before. Destroyed account.
I think I need to level up of my patience, because you can have all your calculation. I'm telling you don't see a very clear 100% a to the Bosman. What is doing now?
Mhm.
That what is doing now, going up and down, and it is coming down. So let me just jump in, man, Charlie. That's it.
Yep.
That's it. Because 1 minute, and if it is on the 1 minute moves a little, you're already down. It's because 1 minute currently is about 1,500 something. So when 1 minute just moves down a little bit, you are out.
Yep. Yeah,
You
one
are out.
point. It only take if you're taking two, three. If you're even aggressive, you take two, three. Even 1 point alone is a lot of money, right? A lot of money. 1 point alone, a lot of money.
Yes.
So I've done that before. I've been banned several times when it was not New York session and some crazy market session, Asian session, and then I've been
Exactly.
banned without waiting for the right session to trade, and I've destroyed accounts. I've seen this several times. I've seen this, right? Because I was impatient to wait. New York session will be here very soon, 1:30. And I'm like, no, 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 no. I want to do something in the day. So let me jump in. And it's a bad market. These Asian markets sometimes can be so random. Sometimes it's
Mhm.
good. Sometimes too so random. They can do a bid and ask. One price will jump from nowhere and then start selling from a different price, below. And then another bid will come. I'm like, this is ridiculous. You guys are destroying my account.
Oh yeah, yeah. It's just you
Yes,
just
sir.
need to be patient. You just need to be patient. Other than that, nah. Because I've been at a point where I needed only $45 to pass an account, and then boom, you blow it.
Yep.
Just like that.
Well, I mean, I needed only $160. I needed only $160. As a matter of fact, I had one that I also needed just $130 only to pass an account, and I was so impatient to wait. Just $130.
Exactly.
If
Especially with this minimum of $150 a day, Charlie, the level of patience you need, because you are already there.
you're already
Just to
there.
just to even catch up some 2,000. If you make a mistake, you will lose all the 2,000 and blow the account to boom. Just to make that. Impatience, Charlie. Especially when
Impatience.
you take your first trade and then you lose it. The $150.
We share impatient.
Want to
We share
recover.
be here. No, we share impatient. Okay, say be here. Be here. Be brave. Be free.
Charlie, the level of patience you need for this is unmatched. It's unmatched. Trust me. It's unmatched.
Yep. Patience today is needed. Crazy.
Yep.
It's needed.
I mean, problem no. Yeah, that's the problem because it's not the market. It's
No. It's not so much about the market. Look, I've said this several times, and myself and James will be talking about this, right? That it is not about the strategy that we have. The strategy works. We've been making money all day long with this. The strategy works.
Mhm.
The market is also there. It's not the market doesn't show up. The market show up, but to us impatient, human beings, a human factor. It is a human factor that kills it. It's a human factor that gets accounts blown. It's for us. We've already unlocked the strategy to make money from the market. Look, if in a day you can make $50, $100, whatever, that means you've unlocked something that most people don't even know how to do this.
Exactly.
Most people don't know how to do this. But the human factor element, for
Would be chair with human factor before with me. When you mistake by 1 year, can I win your first order?
human
You don't
factor.
take time.
Human
It is so
factor.
easy. It's so easy. And I mean, I'll catch up with Nigel, Teddy, and Evans on Wednesday evening, and we talk on the phone. Hey, you would think that I have I have 500 35. I have 500 lucid, and I even have 5 standby for 25. So you have enough
Mm-hmm.
in your head. You think you have enough. So Charlie, I can take orders and then impatience and do this. If you take time, you blow all the 15 accounts.
Yeah, they all can go.
It is so easy.
It's so easy.
It is so easy. You blow
Look.
all the 15 accounts.
Most of my accounts were green this morning. Actually, I have 3 funded accounts on my funded features. I have 3 accounts, 50Ks that I funded. This morning, I took one of the accounts. I even went up to almost 2,500 and something, profit. And the trading lockdown has locked in for me. So now I'm like in cruise control, right? Because the rapid account of the my funded features, you have to make a certain profit, and then after that the trading when you go into funding, you make a certain profit, I think 2,100, and then from that point going, the trading drawdown will lock down, right? It will not be trading you again. It stops following you. I've done that already. I've even exceeded it by $500 or something. I don't know what happened to me this morning. Every account is green. Hey, just one simple mistake and not waiting to see a clear poke and retrace. And I thought, it was going to. Maybe it happened. I don't even know what exactly happened, because it was not meeting anything that I want to trade. All that I saw was that I've already hit a sell with about 5 contracts. Oh my God, I've already destroyed that funded account. Now I have only 2 remaining. I say I'm not even touching it. I'll touch it maybe next week. You know what? I'm not.
Yeah, it is so easy, very easy. So
and then when you do one thing and then you get down, you're like, okay, let me go in and recover, right? And then you're like, yeah. But the recovery process, and then eventually say, we're surviving, I'm surviving.
It happens. Even when I've said the daily loss in trade of it, I go in, I'm like, oh no, let me change it for 500.
Yeah. Let me change it a little bit.
Account is down.
Let me change it a little bit. I'm asking myself this morning. I was so happy because I've gotten every account from FTMO to all these accounts green. Each one of them was green all the way. So I said, this one to one of the funded got to 2,570 something. I've locked down and I'm on cruise control right now. So I said, so how did I get into 4, 5? I went for 4, 5 contract for what? And even a sale. What was I selling for? What was I selling for? I was selling for what? I'm like, this is crazy. So the rest of the 2 funded, I'm like, I'm not even touching these 2 accounts today. I've just shut it all down. I'm going to touch it maybe next week going. I'm not. Because your emotions get so high, right? Your emotion gets so high, and it's like you want to do something. You want to battle the market, and especially for that accounts that the max payout is $100,000. I do not want to joke. For this account that the max payout is $100,000. I don't want to show. I'm like, you know what? The rest of the 2 that is funded, I'm not even going to touch it. I'm not even going to touch it. I'm not even going to touch it. That's my pain for the morning. I'm like, I've gotten every account. Every account is solidly green. every account is, I've gotten the minimum profit for all these accounts across board, and then just this one. Even that one class, I got profit 2,500 something. I said, just a little impatient, just a little impatient.
Impatient.
I was even going to work out. I was even going to check out and go and work out like my morning. I was around 6:15 a.m. I'm saying, oh, let me see what the market was doing with the Asian market. It was pumping up a little bit. So let me go in. I'm like,
Impatience, Charlie. Impatience will destroy our account quickly. Impatience.
Oh yeah. But then I was like, okay, so that's the reason why I have some accounts in waiting. I make sure that I pass about 2-3 accounts that are passed already and funded. So if anything happens, one of them can take me to pay out.
Oh yeah, you always need to have a standby and have a plan. Always need to have a standby, have a plan. Make sure that your profit is always more than the amount, your cost. Then there's a lot. You can do a lot with it. Have a plan, proper plan in place.
Slice.
Yeah, there's a 1 minute time frame zone will be right there. Maybe it is coming to hit that.
1 minute zone.
Yeah.
Yeah, so red kind of.
Right here.
Yeah, right.
This one you're referring to.
Yes.
Yep. It is the one that broke this highs over here. So it's always strong.
Most likely you'll get there and then you will see some reaction right there. Hey, what impatience can do to you, eh? Well, I can't look at.
Oh, impatient, yeah, it happened to me, several times. I'm like,
Oh, basically they are too much. I'm letting a lot from you now.
this account, Prano, I shouldn't even have, traded this even in the Asian sector, because my emergency have made to do trading on the New York one for this specific account. So, what happened? Because I know, so I always get a good break, just like what happened today on the 15 minutes of breakout. This was solid. This was like the number of points that I get out. This was solid breakout. It can make you all the money that you want. So all these fucking Asian session that they are, so their structures are not clear. Why do I even trade this sometimes? I'm maybe asking myself, questioning myself, why do I even trade this fucking Asian session sometimes? Right? Why? Yeah.
It's in the 1 minute zone, right? Demand zone.
How did I miss that? Yeah, don't be so low from Kitwe. Charlie. Man.
Yep.
Is he coming again to come and pick everybody else or
she gone? Let's see, she gone.
Yeah, she gone.
Man, that was a clean one. I'm risking $1,000 one to one. Sharp.
She gone.
How did I miss? I didn't draw this one.
I don't call
man, I've been waiting for this 1 minute zone for so long.
She go. You say, but where your mouth? The chill food truck one.
Usually Nasdaq when it get into the zone with a tip like they usually come back and sweep the rest. But let's see. Yeah. But other than that, you gotta be careful. Man.
Yeah, 95 points already.
Really, I was just doing 1-to-1 and with a mini back because the mini was 1,003. I'm hit 1,003. I've been waiting for this for the whole day.
Yep, 95 points. It's gone.
Man.
25. Yep. 1 minute alone could have been 1,009, by now.
Yes. That's what sometimes momentum slow down. Now I look for those opportunities. And then this was a golden opportunity. And if you look at the hammer candle, it's a million name called 1-to-1, and about one was 1,300. You do 1,300, bam. Not just maybe them account, I know. Yeah, I'm missing money. God damn it. So these things are painful, eh?
Yep, you wait for your setup and then but it might come back again to do a retest of that. It might come back again.
Retest there, and I'm interested. What's the first one? I know we.
Yep.
I will let it get into the zone and see.
Even when it was leaving out, I actually felt like it actually tested it a little bit before pushing up over here.
Exactly.
So when I look at it initially, I thought, all right, it actually, tested this zone even before the initial push up. So this one was coming in. I was like, oh, maybe it might come in to do a proper, test of this. But yeah, it's moving now. If you really want to do this, then you may want to come down to like a lower time frame or something like that to maybe join in on the highs.
Exactly.
Somebody who likes, the lower time frame, the 10 seconds and 15 seconds, time frame, you can always find an opportunity to join in.
15 seconds, 10 seconds, and I mean, try what down a chance. What do you? My lowest is 1 minute time frame, which is
1 minute. Yeah. I can say it already tested, like a 15 seconds, demand.
Exactly.
Yeah. But it might come down again, to do a proper test of this zone, because the zone, it was just a tip of it. It just came to the tip of it. So it might come in and do a proper one. But again, for something like that, you have to do a confirmation entry. You have to do a buy stop.
I'm not going to put in here something like that. I can say, normally, I mean, take you because I just won't miss one messy. There are a lot of opportunities that is going to come again. Even confirmatory entry, because sometimes as a person, would do man. It goes down there. Especially if there are some zones down there again, you don't want to do that. You just have to have the patience and wait. You just have to have the patience and wait. Yay, we get 1,009 pound. Come on, kill it.
1,009. Yeah, that would be a good buffer. It's going to be a good buffer.
Those are the kind of things that it's a momentum slow down I've been looking for just to get. I'm doing this forward testing on. I'm doing this forward testing on testing this strategy. Okay, if I have 10 funded accounts, and even if I decide to, risk $1,000 each on that account, and I'm going to the lower time frame, and 1 minute time frame, 3 minute time frame, and I'm taking 10 orders, one for each. And I'm going to make sure I analyze the market very well and know the trend that I'm going. And this strategy, I want to see how many of the 10 trades that I'm going to take with different accounts, how many of them will take me to 1 to 3 or more. I've already tried that on paper trading this morning using the open market range on S&P. All 3 of them, that is 3 of them that I've taken already. All 3 have taken me to more than 1 to 3. This morning using the open market range, because when it was moving up on a 5 minutes, it was leaving some traces on a 1 minute time frame. I came back and did that. It came down, picked me up, and went up again to 1 to 3. And it formed another one, came down, picked me up, and then this is the I feel was 30 something. So I've done that. I've taken a screenshot of it, and I've put it in a Word document, and I want to review that with the guys tomorrow. You see, because you need to have a lot of strategies, while far they are open so far. That's one of the things that we always do to share the knowledge with the guys. Nigel and I have been testing the power up from 3:50 to 4 p.m. every day. We did that on Monday, we did that Tuesday, we did that Wednesday and yesterday. All of them went up bullish. The Monday went up to 5-1. Tuesday was 6 point something. Wednesday went as high as 9-1.
Oh, you mean the
Yesterday
10
was
minutes? 10 minutes before the 4 p.m.
exactly.
Okay.
What is the name of it? Is it power up or how do you call it?
Yeah, the power hour.
Yeah, the power. Is it power hour or power up?
People call it the FOMC or something like that. Like, they have some funny names for some funny names for it. The last 10 minutes before the market close, when people are closing
Yes.
out their books, etc.
Yes. So we've tried that. We did that on Monday. It went to 5 point something to 1. We did Tuesday. It went to 6 point something to 1. Wednesday it was 9, almost 10 to 1. And then yesterday was 7-1. And we'll see what happens today. And they were all bullish. And if we happen to do that for about a month and see, I know you've confirmed that 80% of the time it is up, but sometimes we also have to do our own forward testing, back test, all those kind of stuff, And then that also will help in your strategy and see that, okay, I have about 10 funded accounts. Let me use one for powerhouse and see. And that's already full to 5-1, and we are risking maybe 1,500. That is almost $10,000 what you're looking for. You lose it already.
Yeah, you can rotate. That's what yeah, you can rotate your account.
And you can rotate because
so today you use
1.
10,000. Yep, you use one. The next day you use
just
one.
the 150. Exactly. Yep. So there are a lot of strategies, that are happening. That if you happen to invest $2,000 now, and then invest, and you know what you are doing, and you are learning and going with all these strategies. And I told the guys, hey, and I know that the last time I discussed with you and now also on this one, there's another strategy you can do if you are bold. And myself, something that I can do, because I've already made some money from the market. I can do. I can buy 10 accounts. For example, I can trade all the 10 accounts in one day using 1 minute time frame funding zone. I can decide to risk all the $2,000. That is $6,000 each on that one. If I decide to do, and if I start on Monday into the Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, if I decide to do the minimum 150 on the trade credit now, it means by the end of the week, I can cash $10,000. And then I can have another one at the backup coming up. This is another strategy you can do which one works for you. Because like I say, like you always say, there are some that are going to be on casualty. There are some that will take you to that. And if all these power up stuff is working, the momentum stuff is working, when you scale down a little bit on the momentum, build buffer on it. If you want to do this, let me take this 10, risk 1,500 and see which one is going to take me there. I know some will not survive. If I'm even able to have 4 or 5 survive. For me, my calculation, I'm even looking at a minimum of 3 of the accounts surviving. But if per my knowledge and whatever I do, I'm able to get about 4 or 5 of them surviving and do the minimum. And then by the end of the week, I'll be able to cash about 12,000, 13,000 on it. And then I'll start another set coming up. That's another strategy for me. So I can decide to do, okay, this week, they are cashing 10 to 15,000. The following week, I'll be using that week to build another more evaluation. And so every other week, if you are over 10,000, you're 20,000 a month. So you do which strategy works for you.
Yep, that's the same. It's the same. Rotating. Risk management strategy. Right?
Exactly. Exactly. But the best thing is if you do not invest, and not just the investing, you need to also take your time and learn the market. Somebody is taking his time. Nana is taking his time to every morning go on the grid and draw, put in some zones there for you. Myself, Nigel, all these things that I'm putting, all these screenshots that I'm putting in the Word document today is just to share the knowledge with the other guys and do. If you don't have the opportunity to do it, but somebody is just sharing the knowledge with you and then you are still not taking the advantage of it, then we don't even know what we have to feed you again.
Yep.
We don't, because at the end of the day, we don't owe anybody that kind of explanation or that kind of assignment. But hey, we are all brothers and sisters and everything. This thing is a lonely game, so we want to stay in there. And if somebody is spending the time and doing all this effort for you, and then you are seeing the results too, unless you don't understand, unless you are still lacking knowledge at the basis of the whole thing that we are doing, if you are still lacking knowledge about the basic, even identify good zones, how to understand the trend and all those kind of stuff, then I understand that you need to go back to the basics and come. But if you really understand all these things, just do the permutations and mathematics, and you should be okay. And then you should be okay. Should be okay in there.
This was today's breakout was a picture perfect.
Was crazy. Was
a
crazy.
picture perfect. Right from here, push all the way, the way
That was a
up.
crazy breakout.
As if that thing was trying to trick people, placing shots. You think, oh, it might go down, right?
Mhm.
Then it reverse and look at the way you push up all the way.
Now, once you see again, I think it's part of everyone's risk management thing. Once you set up your mind that I'm going to do breakout, you should have some kind of amount in your mind that you are willing to risk, right?
Exactly.
So, if your entry is on the line over here, that's your entry. You should have whatever your amount that you are willing to risk also down here, so that even if it comes down to it, you are willing to lose that, and it's okay. You come back the next day and maybe recover it with a good 15 minutes breakout again. If that is your if that's a matter of fact, if that is your only trading strategy, you should be fine. So that's what the trading strategy now. 15 minutes up. That's like I said, every day, you will just wait 15 minutes. Those one, you take the trade and then shut the laptop down and then go. That's it. You're done for the day. That's
like I said, that is fine. We are there. Yes, we are there. You have 10 accounts. 3 of them will survive minimum.
Yeah, with the just up and loan, just trading that alone. With the strategy, with the strategy, we trading up alone. Trading, first you're done for the day.
Minimum. Hey, Nasdaq. Nasdaq, you're on the zoo.
That's all that is needed. Nasdaq is the only thing that is needed. That's all.
Nasdaq, everyone there. Just have one, and like I said, like the day we are Canada, if you are doing one asset, there's no way you are going to miss it, because if it's a zone where you from, the next one will not take you out, because you are coming down with a different account. And so you from the tail zone will not take you out. What we are there, some of the accounts to survive, and some of them will be able to help build some buffer on it. Take you to where the maximum, start all over again. You lose some, you gain some.
Yep.
Nasdaq, the almighty Nasdaq, the maker of men, is the maker of men. It has made several people millionaires. The maker of men, just trading NQ. That's all, 24/7. NQ. NQ.
NQ for you.
And the maker of men. The maker of men.
Was this coming back to your zone? Your 1 minute demand zone.
Mm-hmm.
It came back almost testing the zone, and now see. Nasdaq. We usually take when your patients, I will be blow accounts. You say, look at what he's doing. Initially, you thought that it was going to come down.
Mm-hmm. No, it's not coming down.
If you don't take
that is almost about 72 points, no, 74 points already.
Just blow. If you have, even if 1 minute out of here, it blow. We blow account.
Yeah, 74 points.
What 1 minute? We blow account.
1 minute. Auto 1 minute. You see an echo.
Uh-huh.
Auto you thought 1 minute. You see an echo. I thought I was on the media. Although I'm actually on the micro. To 1 minute. 10 points. $200. 10 points. That's
And
all.
the 70, and I just said 1,000 no. That's how we almost blow you the account. If you make a little mistake, you will blow account. Yeah.
10 points. Nasdaq, I don't know.
You will blow this, yeah.
Okay, over there. Yep, that's what we're doing right now. It's essentially, sitting in this range. We are in this box right here. That's what Nasdaq is doing. It's just basing right now. We need to get out. Yeah, we need to get out from this box. Well, we need to get out from this box here.
And that's a lot of point right there. That's some blue flag right there. That's a bad flag.
This is what yeah, but we're going to be doing sometime very soon. Oh.
Yep.
This is what we're going to be doing sometime very soon. We're going to be doing some extreme scalping. We'll be buying the dips and then the rips. That's what we're going to be doing. The dips and the rips. That's all. Extreme scalping. Boom. Yep, 10 points. For 10 points, 10 points, 10 points, 10 points. That's all. If we get it, you're out. Don't get it, you're out. 120, 5. Come on. Takes you out. 20, you're out. Yeah, it looks like Nasdaq is breaking out of the box now. We'll see. Yep, folks. Your 1 minute, don't just got tested a little bit, deep, but
Yeah.
it is now, wanting to push down a little bit, and I'm sure,
Mm-hmm.
the bears will push it down. They will
Oh
push
yeah,
it
yeah,
down
yeah.
and even take out the stop losses all hiding here. They'll take out.
Exactly. It's dangerous to take a demand zone now. Don't even
Yeah,
try.
yeah. They will do a swipe and go. They will swipe all
Yes.
the stop losses hiding here before they go up. But definitely, these guys will push down a little bit. Yep. Oh, thank you. Ah, was I quick or it just got me? So I put it right here. That's it. uh, by the dips and raves.
Well, now let me join this meeting. Get ready to join this meeting right quick. Let me check about
Okay.
15 minutes. I'll join you guys soon.
Okay. Boom. 10 points. What you're looking for? 10 points. 10 points. 10 points. Huh? 10 points. Yeah, measured move. Yeah. share. First, we see more how they say. Even one more. Even one.
My boss and so we drop off a quick meeting.
Yeah.
Banana, have you realized something? Anytime it consolidates, now what draws our box now I was here one. I know a consolidation I will market box. It kind of drops down and then it will flip and start moving the other direction. So I realized inside there. It came out of that box. As soon as it came out of it, then it flipped and reverses to the upside.
Was it anytime I met Dropbox no be no?
Rectangular box no.
So this box way.
Yes, it was typical. This week, I mean, we say it will drop out of that box or bufuma. As soon as it drops out, then there is that rejection kind of if you start seeing movie Cosro.
Oh, okay, to the upside. Yeah.
Yes.
So definitely whenever I draw this boxes over here, that means the market is essentially like in a sideways in a range, and I want to see a breakdown or a breakdown. But typically, of course, the market, they're also very intelligent, right? If they want to go up, they know say people are actually hiding their stop losses below this line as well. But I say they can do what we call a swipe and go. So they can
and that is the word.
So they can quickly come down over here. They can come down over here. They can throw down over here, and then immediately they throw down, then boom to the upside.
That's what happens. The whole of this week, I've been.
They can take out the money sitting down here. They know people are hiding, their money down here, so they can quickly take out the money over here and then boom to the upside.
Oh
yeah. It doesn't happen all the time, right? Typically for me, I just draw it just that when it breaks down from the bottom over here, I know so I can look for I'm selling opportunity as long as the market structures begin to form what I'm looking for towards the downside. Or if it breaks out as well, I want to see the market also begin to do something for me, like typical market structures for the upside as well. And that is what I will be looking for, right? To be able to say, okay, I'm looking for this. If not, then I'm not interested in trading the market. Right? But when it's over here, you can be doing the extreme ends as well, like I was doing. If you were watching it, earlier, that I've done a lot of trading over here, doing what we call momentum micro dips, like in 1 minute. So I was doing a lot of momentum micro dips over here. So I usually take the dips, right? So typically something like this. Let me see if I can. So typically I will usually I will wait when there's like a fall like this, right? When there's a fall like this that breaks this low over here, I will immediately, when it rips like that with speed like that, I will immediately go for a buy. And when I go for a buy, I'm only looking for 10 points, and it will immediately give you the 10 point quick. See, it has already, that more than the 10 point you're looking for. You're not looking for 2 to 1, 3 to 1. No, you're not looking for that, right?
Just 10
points. Only 10 points. Only 10 points. And it's going to give you that all day long doing, micro dips and reps, right? So if I really want to do that, and just scalp, this is extreme scalping, right? I'm just scalping. So I go down to the lower time frame, like 1 minute, and I'm just going to be doing that. Anytime I see a market structure change, if it rips up, so for instance, over here, if it rips this top over here, I can immediately go for a sell, looking for another 10 points.
Big dip, that retracement after the pull.
Yes, I'm looking for only 10 points over here. I'm looking for 10 points over here, so $200. If it push down, I can wait, and then maybe I can target this. Or if I want it in a better one, I can wait for it to come over here, and then I can do a sell for another 10 points. So all day long, I can be doing this. Yes, it doesn't work all the time, but hey, you're going to make some money out of this as well. Make some. Right? So if you take about 5 of this, I bet you're going to have about maybe 3 of them, giving you money, $600, 10 point, 10 point,
That's a good point.
Yeah, it's all about the probability setup. It's all about probability setup over here. You take the numbers, yeah, if it's numbers game all across board, everywhere. Be honest, it's just a numbers game. So you always take the, like across the way now. You see what it's doing right now. It crossed this low over here. Now it has pushed up more than 10 points.
Yeah.
Right, you can see it.
Yep.
Over here. It has done. So immediately when it crosses it, you got to be fast on the trigger and then hit a buy. You just look for 10 points. The moment it crosses your $200 profit, you exit out. You are just doing, if it's a market buy and exit. You're not looking for 10 to 1. It can go more than that. If you want to trail it or whatever, it's up to you. But for me, I'm just looking for that. So I just hit a buy or sell when something got broken. And then I'll just cancel it when my profit target is done, or maybe stop loss. Sometimes I'm very fast on putting in my $200. I'm 10 points. I'm stop loss as well. If I'm able to do that, it's also great as well, right? It's also great.
Oh wow!
Like it's coming over here. Whenever it crosses over here, we can immediately go for like a buy, right? Immediately, and then we are targeting 10 points, right? Like what it has done right now, Yes, you can go for
right there. Yep.
I right there. Yeah.
Okay.
So as soon as it break that, 10 point, boom, I've gotten it. 10 points is all that you're looking for. 10 point is all that you're looking for this. 10 points. 10 point is all that you're looking for. This is even 12 points.
Yeah.
10 points is all that you're looking for for your $200, and it has already done more than that.
Wow.
See, so you have to be just fast. Micro dips and rips. It's a momentum type of trade, right?
Yeah.
The momentum type of trade. So with this one, for instance, like something that is on my radar, I'm going to be teaching you guys, and you need to have multiple accounts, right? So you are rotating them. So if you have one PA, you do this one PA quick, and then the next PA will come in. You do the next one for the next PA. So you keep rotating all the accounts. I bet you half of your PA accounts will go into payout. Some of them might die out of the way. They might not survive, but half of them are going to give you money.
That is a good point. Wow, look at that. Even it's going more than that 10 points.
Yeah. It will definitely give you more than that. So I mean, it is momentum, micro dips and rips. So just pick it up. When it rips down or the pop shot. Whenever it pops or poke, what I teach you guys. Whenever it pokes as well, that shot is what you're looking for another 10 point as well. But this one, you're not even doing it even in the 5 minutes. Doing this in a 1 minute chat, right? Doing this in a 1 minute chat. But this is really fast. This is scalping. You scalping, your way.
Yep.
10 point here, 10 point here, 10 point here, 10 point here. You lose another 10 point. But at the end of the day, your $600,000 there, you might get it. Doing just this alone, this alone, if you take a certain number of trades that you're going to give yourself, that hey, I can only take maybe 10 trades or 5 trades or whatever a day or whatever, I don't put it more.
Yep. That is a good point. Thank you, boss.
Yeah, we'll be talking about some other ones, that there are so many of them. There are so many of them. This is just a micro dip, squeeze. There are so many of them, reversal to the 3 bars long. There are certain kind of, bearish candles that I look out for. 3 good, bearish candle. Whenever I see that 3 and I see a long wick, bullish pushing up, on the break of the last bearish candle, I'm also going to do that, reversal through 3 long as well. I'm going to go for long. There is an inversion squeeze long. All these things are different things that we're going to talk about. So you guys are there's a lot of things that we are about to learn, right? The fast sweep longs, extreme oversold longs. These are all coming, right? So many things, consolidation longs, the extreme para shorts as well. These are all good trades to take. But hey, it's baby steps, one step at a time, right? One step at a time. By the end of the day, you guys will have about 20 strategies to make money from the market. You can't tell me you can't make money with just not even one of these strategies. You should be able to make money from the market with at least one of these strategies.
Yep, exactly.
No, it's going to be impossible for anybody to tell me that I'm unable to make money from the market. No, I've given you 20 strategies and 20 ways that you can take a trade on the market. Nah, you should be able to milk something out from the market.
I think we just need to work on our psychology, discipline, and
Yeah.
you know,
Well, as for that one, there, it's an ongoing mind battle. It's never going to get come to an end. As for the psychology thing there, you just have to make sure that you want to be profitable, so you cut your losses short. If I say you also get on your winners, make sure that you are not going for those big ones, 2 to 4, 4 to 1, 5 to 1 reward. No. Look for quick ones. If you want to be profitable, you are looking for 10 point, 10 point, 10 point. Don't look for other ones because they might wake on you quick, right?
Yep.
If you're going to go wait and say no, percent encore 2 to 1, 3 to 1, baby, it might wake down on you and then you're already in the red again, right? So, $200 is what you're looking for. 180, well, moment to start going to $150, 170, 180. But if you can take profit, go in again next time, go in again. That's what you're looking for, right?
Yep.
That's what you're looking for. 10 point, 10 point. That's what's going to keep you, 10 point will keep the job away. If you can make 10 point, 10 point in a day, that will gradually push the job away and then you are free. That's what you're looking for. 10 point, 10 point.
Yep.
So over here, for instance, I'll typically like maybe put a sell limit over there, right? And wait. If it's able to reach it, I might get my 10 point quick. There's one also sitting right here. So there are opportunities all the way, right? There's one sitting over here that can also be taken as well, right? 10 point, 10 point. This is micro dip scalping, guys. This is momentum play, right? 10 point. If this one does not work, the other one will work, right? If it comes down here and this one does not work, this other one is going to give you the 10 point that you're looking for. This other one can give you, this other can give you. There are 10 point, 10 point, 10 opportunities all along here, right?
Exactly.
Boom. Trace. You see, this was another opportunity right there, right? You saw it. when it first came down over there, it actually pushed up 10.
Yep.
You know, when it first came, it actually pushed up 10 points before coming down right now.
Yep.
So as for that, all day long, you know, you're going to be seeing this. You're going to be getting it, but you have to be very fast.
Yep.
You know, you have to be very fast. You got to be very fast on your trigger. You know, your 10 point boom, 10 point boom, 10 point boom. You know, that's all that you're looking for. The moment it crosses it, boom, that's it. Take it outside. Yep. You know, you don't wait and say, "Oh, I never cost me play them."
Yeah.
Don't wait and say, "Oh, I didn't ever cost me which is ever 300, 400." Look, it can give you that, but hey, just keep in mind, say the same opportunities will come again a lot as well, right? They're going to have multiple of such opportunities. So 200, 200, 200, 200, 150, 300, 170, 200, all day long.
Wow.
You keep rotating your accounts. Sometimes too, you know, people also use the trend line as well as a another, you know, tool for trade, right? When they see that the market is not able to push beyond a certain trend line, they will begin to take a shot whenever, you know, price action come close to it, right?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, when the market is beginning to do that, unless when it breaks out of it, then you know that okay, now that trend has been broken for the meantime, you know, temporary.
Oh, okay.
Charlie, Ejumai. Remember said that's also God day. God day.
Inshallah.
I tell you.
Inshallah.
God
Good
day.
day.
You need patience. God day. God day. Patience.
All right, 10 points what you're looking for. Up 240. That's giving you, right? That's giving you your 240. It has already given you the 240 you're looking for, right? So don't wait.
I think we need to be very fast on the trade. Because trading doesn't give you that stop loss way line or it's a while but draw over there. You got to be very fast.
We put the stop loss line there. Much too much. Yeah, you can yeah, you can. Yes. So when you're using your financial trading base, you can also have that ATM strategy and then use it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, $200, 10 point stop loss, 10 point a profit. Or you can have multiple of that and say, hey, if you're taking more than one contract or something like that, take me out immediately on my first stop loss. Your stop loss there is going to be 10 points. but your profit taking it there, the first one can be taken, second one can be taken, third one can be taken. If it decide to move up, that way, you can have that strategy also as well in the intro bit.
But you can also trail it with manual trailing.
You can do manual, but you have to be very fast in a fast-moving momentum market. Sometimes, if you now going to wait now that they're going to expand on your stop loss, what is the stop loss? Because by the time you grab that stop loss too, it has already waked down already. Rather than me, I rather say close it. I will close it. Once I start moving my way, 150, 200, 230, 240 dollars, I'm out. I'll look for another one again, because that's what it's going to be doing, in the momentum market. Oh, if you set up the ATM, then fantastic. If you're going to set up the ATM strategy, then fantastic. If you're going to do the ATM strategy, fantastic. If you're going to set up the ATM strategy, to go that route, then good. You're not going to have any problem with that. And then the market structure is also very important, guys. Like if there is a demand zone, let me see if I can get a demand zone like this one, for instance, right? The good setups for this is the zones as well, like the bottom of the zones, right?
Exactly.
If it's able to come down to the bottom of the zones, that is where you're not going to have your buy limit order set somewhere here. You will put your buy limit order at the bottom over here, right? At the bottom of the zones. So this strategy also works very well when you're taking the zones, but you buy it at the very end of the zone, right? You buy it at the very end of the zone. You put your buy limit right there, and then you wait for price to come. Boom. Oh, 1 minute, you're going to see this opportunity. You're going to see this opportunity all day. 1 minute here, that is why 1 minute there. Some people can make, hundred thousands of dollars, because 1 minute there is going to show up a lot in the day. Your job is not to be afraid to take it, because if this one does not work, the other one is going to work. If this one doesn't work, the other one is going to work. So all day long. As a matter of fact, if you want to reduce it to 5 points right now, you can even do 5 points to reach your profit taking. No. 5 points will get you. You're always going to be locked in on 5 points. 5 points, they will sell. 5 points is like $100, right? And then $100. 5 points is like $100 on a mini, right? 1 mini be 5 points be up for you or down for you. It's going to be $100.
Yeah. So now I'm taking now 10 trades an hour. But 1 minute like 60 trades, like 60.
Yeah, but again, and your minutes beyond the amount that structure that you're looking for. If it's only half of that 60 minutes, are giving you some better.
You're using 10, but it's 10 hours.
Yeah. It is still going to be a good opportunity. Like everyone will be and can have about 10 trades in there. If half of it goes your way, or 6 of them goes your way, so some of them can even do more than the $200 that we are looking for. We have moved from this market is beginning to trend down. We are making lower highs. That means we are coming down. if you can be fast and if I set your if I stop loss there, that's fine. You know, your $20 stop loss, that's fine. If it takes you out, takes you out. But you know, if you can be watching it as well, you can be watching the price as well, and then if it comes down to whatever that you know you're looking for as well, that's also great. You know, but the point is that you have to be very fast. What I say, yeah, the point is that you have to be very fast. By the time after the setting stop loss, setting we said that day, hey, it's good that you set that in, but you just have to be fast on the trigger. You know, once it takes you out, it takes you out, but then that's it, you are done. As a matter of fact, if you're not looking for much, that's it. Because $50 for our the idea second year, you get that a lot. Yeah, small week will give you $50 that you're looking for. If that's what you're looking for, then you're going to get it plenty. You go, the get Yeah, but I can see the bullish, you know, if as momentum stepping in as well. I can see. So the typical day, you also have to be observant, guys. When you begin to see a reversion happening, you begin to see it as well. Don't take it blindly. Say, oh, because I'm saying, see, when you begin to see the bullish momentum stepping in over here, right? This is an indication, right? We're making lower highs, right? And then all of a sudden, we stop making the lower highs, and what are we doing? We're making higher highs right now, right? That tells that there's a shift, you know, happening. Once this one was happening, you know, when we're coming down, if I draw the trend line over here, you know, I actually drew the trend line, telling me or giving me indication, say the bulls are not able to push beyond this line. So anytime that they've come close, you know, they were pushing behind this, you know, the market kept going down. It tells me that it's very bearish, right? Very bearish. So when the trend begins to change, we broke the first one, broke the second one, broke the third one, market is pushing up. Then you also have to know that, okay, looks like the market has changed. You know, the market, you know, dynamics, it is not the same as it was. And so if I need to look for opportunities on the high side, you know, I need to be bullish as well. Maybe let me do that. Again, you can also use the same structures and take it, you know, as it falls, as it we push up, as it drops, push up. You can do it all day long. Or that you look for a 10-point. Your goal is that you are rotating accounts and you're using them as your risk management, you know. So this one might fall out, the other one might be good, you know, and they just keep going. Breaks it, you know, you just have to take another buy. Why my buy? If I say why is trading you being slow on my buy over here, you know, you have to take another buy. Boom. It's not even coming. I actually hit the buy button. It's not even coming. Pulls up, boom, 10 points. You're out. Boom. Okay, let's go another one again. Come down over here, take me out. 10 points. Boom. Done. So all day long. Trading very slow. Oh. No, your first one. Yeah. Because maybe a bad down first one and I make it a buy. $50 there. You if I get time, you get time quick. You get time quick. $50 a man in Muzuka crab, $50 here or Saveka. So that's what that you're looking for there and here. You know, quick, Saveka. Yep. If your stop loss is 200, you know, already 200 on Saka, boom, 205, you're out. You look for another one. We look for another opportunity. casually making money. You can sit down with some good food and casually you take it just like that all day till the market close at 4. Can you imagine sitting down waiting for doing this till the market close at 4? How many trades you take? Allah, 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 Allah. Casually, casually. Oh, it came closer. It got close. Oh, I think that me say entry no kakra. Ah, can you imagine? Ooh, me say entry no. The number of points we are dropping no crazy, eh? The number of points that this thing has dropped from the entry, I missed it by just some few ticks, brother. That's almost about 60 something point, more than that, crap. Just make it boom and shut it down. Oh, you can trail it if you want. If you want to trail it, it's fine. But you have to be fast. If you can put your another strategy is like put it in and then move quickly to break even. What I say, we are very tight and aggressive which way, but as soon as you hit it, you get into a trade, then you quickly move into break even. But you could be out of phone. But you don't lose anything.
Wow.
Wallahi. Wallahi.
What a
Wallahi.
Friday. What a Friday.
Wallahi. Okay.
Wasn't it? So I step away briefly.
Oh, okay. All
right, boss. Thank you.
All right. No problem. Now, if your 200 was looking for, it already gave us, 215 or whatever. How much was that when it came down here? That was even 395 or so. It already gave us, 395. I was not even watching. You just have to be quick. You just have to be quick on your profit taking, then take it when it comes. Oh, lunchtime in America, eh? Lunchtime in America, it's already 12. 12 to 36 I see. My laptop is about to die. Charlie, bucket the way I don't know for the day. You never cry. Yeah, pong. That's what the market is going to give us for the day. All right. I'll talk to you guys later.